What a view. Isn't that great? When I was a kid, I used to love music. I still do love music, but I was really into it big time as a teenager. And I used to love the Moody Blues. Sounds a bit old-fashioned now, I bet. But there was one album called To Our Children's Children's Children. And this got me thinking yesterday, because I had the family around for a bite to eat. We just had a sandwich at lunchtime, and I sat there with my son and his two daughters. My other son couldn't make it, unfortunately, but and my daughter with a new little baby. And they were quite cosy in the conservatory. You know, quite a few in there having a laugh. And I was looking around and I was thinking, oh, I'm a bit like the bloody Godfather here, you know, because me and Sue, we've got all this family around us, and extended family as you get older. You get lots and lots of more people around you. Now, what am I rambling on about this for? Well, the children's children malarkey, if you think about it, you're doubling up most times, aren't you? The average amount of children people have is 2 points such and such. I don't know what it is, but it's about 2, isn't it? A bit over 2. But what do you think you're leaving behind for these our children's children? Do you think we're leaving a better place behind? Because we've travelled through it. When we started out, was that better than when we start to leave it? That sounds a bit bloody morbid and all. But I'm just wondering, are we leaving the planet, if you like, in a better position, or are we leaving them one hell of a bloody mess? What's your opinion on that one? Mind hearing your comments on that.